I am back in another video. I am going to tell you how you can download the Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra USB driver that match with your device and the laptop properly, and how you can easily connect your smartphone with the laptop using the original USB data cable. Let's get started. Here you are watching my screen, and you're just asking that how can I download the USB driver of the Galaxy Z Fold8 USB drivers. Samsung USB driver you can see. Okay, here I'm gonna open my desktop, and here is the file. Download some Android USB driver for the Windows. This is the website. Click here to save the file. Again, you can see you are seeing my screen where I have already downloaded Samsung USB driver. Now I would like to install them step by step. The pop-up is showing the Samsung USB driver for the mobile phone is already installed on your computer. Do you want to proceed with the installation anyway? No, I already installed it, so I don't want to waste my time and yours as well. I am just showing you device manager, and you can just easily exe file is a direct installation file. If you are uncomfortable with the direct installation, then you can easily manual install using the device manager, and device manager will help you to scan the hardware changes, add drivers, browse the drivers wherever this PC, F, and Samsung. Okay, then next. There is no any driver found because the exe file is not a proper USB driver to install the manually. If you are thinking if you are thinking to install manually, you need to have .inf file in your folder. I hope you understand my guidelines properly. Or inf file. If you are not getting any result in the search, you can directly put the double comma. Okay, I hope if you try the direct installation, that save your time and mind. That's all for now. We'll meet in another video. Thank you so much for watching my video.